In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine email and SMS marketing in Mailchimp. To start, you will create an automation flow that can send both email and SMS messages. This is helpful when you want subscribers to receive a coordinated message across channels without having to manually send separate campaigns. The process begins in the automations area of Mailchimp, where flows let you connect triggers to message actions. First, go to automations, then flows. When you land on the flows page, you should see options for creating new automations. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right section, since Mailchimp organizes email campaigns and automations in different areas. Next, click Build from Scratch. This tells Mailchimp that you want to create a new flow without using an existing template. On screen, you will usually be asked for a few details like the flow name and the audience, so make sure you are ready to enter that information. Now, enter a flow name. Choose something clear, such as a short description of what the flow does, so it is easy to recognize later. After you enter the flow name, select your audience. The audience selection matters because your email and SMS recipients must come from the correct mailing list. Once those two fields are set, you can move forward confidently. After that, click Choose a Trigger. The trigger is the event that starts the automation. In this case, you will select Signs Up for Email. This is the step that connects your subscriber behavior to your marketing sequence. It means that when someone signs up and is added through an email sign-up, the flow will begin. Then click Save Trigger. This saves your choice so Mailchimp can lock in the starting point of the automation. After saving, there will usually be a clear indication that the trigger is active and ready. This is an important checkpoint because the rest of the flow depends on the trigger being saved correctly. With the trigger saved, you will now add the first message action. Click the plus symbol, then select Send Email. This adds an email block to the flow. When you configure the email, you will be able to choose the email content, subject, and other sending details. You are not changing the audience now, but you are defining what the subscriber receives first, once they trigger the flow. After you have added Send Email, you will add the SMS action right after it. Click the plus symbol again and choose Send SMS. Adding this second action is what allows you to combine email and SMS marketing in one coordinated automation. At this point, you will configure the SMS message details so that recipients get a text notification in addition to the email they receive. As you set up the SMS step, pay attention to the order of actions. The flow should clearly show that the email step comes before the SMS step, or at least that they are both connected to the same trigger. This sequence is what makes the automation feel intentional rather than random. Once both message steps are in place, review the flow overview to confirm the trigger is correct and that both actions are included. A quick review helps you catch mistakes early, like sending to the wrong audience or adding only one of the two message types. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.